Uh, making a solar panel mount. Drill on that one. Shit. Oh. God, I could avoid drilling a hole with that drill. Fuck yeah. Quick assembly. Work smarter. String floss. Oh shit, drilling a hole. Drilling a hole. toolkit. Machining in the morning. Máquina en la mañana. Yes, really. This one. Measurements. Yeah, should come in handy.
Okay.
That's one leg.
Oh, hi.
Outside diameter, inside diameter.
Okay.
24.5 inches. Twenty-four point five. That's different, right? Center. 'Like a rock. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Ma, you busy? Come here. I did a thing. I did a thing.
What'd you do? What? Oh, cool. Oh, is that your frame?
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
Don't let it fall.
I know it's bolted down with the clamps pretty good.
Oh, nice. Cool beans. Yeah, because the wind's out here. You gotta ignore that the wind's out here. It's
Exactly.
crazy.
Yep. I accounted for that.
That's cool.
Got it bolted in the top there. I'm gonna flatten those and drill holes in the top, and they're gonna bolt
We'll
into the
take
holes.
that off there before you do that.
Yeah. I just wanted to see. I drew it out on
Cool.
paper. Thank you.
That's awesome.
I'm working smarter, not harder. I don't have to really do much.
Yes, work smarter, not harder.
I've been tweaking all those things for a week. Might as well make something out of them by now.
There you go. What was I?
Shit, I just realized now I can adjust the angle too.
Nice.
Holy shit, this is great. Type in. Vacuum clean. Green.
Oh, look at all the sand that my vacuum missed. I was just vacuuming last night.
What the fuck?
No
Bro.
hair though.
No hair? So it picks up the hair, but not much else?
Well, it picks up. It's got suction board. It wants to fucking. It wants to push it without being pushed. Fucking good. I got a lot of hair last night.
Down there.
I got it.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That tool that guy had last night too.
Huh?
The tool that guy had last night too is like a combination, called a combination square.
Yeah.
I need one of those bad boys. I got a ghetto one right here.
Wait.
Yeah, I set up I looked online.
Yeah.
It said the optimum angles for the sun for each season, depending on your latitude. So I looked up the thing for Arizona and it said 34 degrees in the winter, 58 degrees in the fall and the spring, because the sun's at the same height.
Oh.
And then 80 degrees towards the sun in the summer because of how high the sun is in the sky.
Oh really?
Yeah. But they said the efficiency that you get out of it,
Yeah.
if you get, if you're on 34 degrees in winter, it goes by the book.
Yeah.
It's only increasing your power production by 4%. Only 4%.
What do you mean?
You can have your solar panels just flat sitting on the roof,
Oh.
and you can have your solar panels sitting at the angle. But even if you just leave your solar panels flat on the roof,
Yeah.
you're only losing 4% of your power production.
Oh.
So it's like virtually pointless to make a fancy angle for it.
It's pointless to make a fancy angle.
Yeah, to make the perfect angle for it.
Yeah.
You can just literally lay them on your roof, and you'll still get just about the same output. But for shits and giggles, this is at the optimum angle for fall and spring.
Oh yeah. You want everything bagel with that stuff from yesterday?
Yeah. I was all sad mine fell on the floor.
Huh?
I was all sad mine fell on the floor.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, remember?
Yeah, I asked if you wanted another one.
I was so upset with myself. I was like, no, I don't.
Oh.
But Felicia had a good time.
The whole thing? You get to eat some of it?
I was just getting into my groove, and it is
Oh, I would have made you another one.
the plate just said skibbity bat in my hand.
Hey. Pay attention.
No, it's not. What do you call it? They're not brawny plates. That's why.
I would have made you another one. I didn't know where it came from. I thought you caught it.
Hey Alexa, put Brondo. It's got electrolytes on my shopping list.
What is it? What is it?
Brondo. It's got electrolytes from that movie.
Bronder added to your shopping list.
That's just a shopping list. They tried to buy me a book there earlier, and I was like, hell no.
Trying to buy a book.
Alexa, play something.
Here's a popular station, Pop Culture Radio on Amazon Music.
What else can Alexa do, Ma?
Huh?
What else can Alexa do?
Trying to fart for you.
Hey Alexa, fart for me.
I don't think she hears you.
Alexa, Fart for me.
Okay, here's Big Fart.
Alexa, you can do better than that.
That was a pooey one. Try asking for a wet fart. Or say random.
Pretty fun though, because I'm sitting there like, oh shit, what do I need for my circuits? And I forget what I need later on. I can just sit there and, put it on my shop and I say, oh yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Remember what you told the list to put in the shop? Yeah.
Try asking me for a wet fart. Or say random.
You're so random, Alexa.
I never kissed a mouth that tastes like yours. Strawberries and
Alexa,
something.
change the music to country.
More.
Wow. Yeah, and when my computer's in going to Alexa, stop music. Alexa, you can tell me something about machine learning.
Now playing Mr. Farts, Taco Farts.
Wow. She made it funny.
I wanna feel like
Alexa, pause. Alexa, pause. There's a picture of a dude holding his nose. Alexa, pause music. Alexa. Alexa, open Angel Investor. Alexa. Damn it.
Alexa.
Tell me something about machine learning, Alexa. Goodbye. When I like Cortana,
Really?
it's like, I really can't do that right now. Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey.
Like this literal same code.
Did you get Amazon Music?
I better not have. I think I still have my student account on there somehow.
Oh, you just have Amazon Shopping.
I have free shit from my student. Well, I think that expired once. Use. That's not saying reading buddy. Wait, you don't have a reading buddy? Well, I do now.
Hey. A reading buddy.
Well, is this?
Does it read it for you?
Yeah, it was this AI that would It was an ad for a thing like you have too much shit you have to do this weekend for your class.
Yeah.
This AI machine learning reading software will read ahead for you the textbook chapters that you need and summarize them for you.
Wow. Yeah, look. Yeah, that. It's coming. Don't get the whole thing.
Yeah. People already forgot how to spell because the bottle's there.
Right? I know. See, people use.
It's just going to be hieroglyphic emojis in the future.
Right?
Exactly.
Hey, no shit. Jesus.
Oh, I smashed some of that cream cheese. I was running with that. There's the caulk. You can caulk up the control box for this. Convenient stand. What is it? Damn, that's kind of fucking. I don't know. Oh, I wanted to see how much power it was producing. All right. Oh, shit. I have the power. I told Eagles I have his grinder and his vise, and he says that's cool because.
Told me have your grinder and device.
Yeah, because I was telling him about machining, and he's like, we're talking about airsoft, and he's like, I got some really high-end airsoft guns and stuff over there. You're welcome to mess around with it. And I was like, damn, I haven't messed with that hobby in a long time, bro. And you got on the subject.
Oh, he told me.
Yeah, he was like, as long as you take care of him, bro. No, I don't mind. For sure.
Break it, you buy it.
Yep.
Prices are cheap.
$40. He paid that at Harbor Freight. No, that's not the point, but I was saying, dude, you don't know how much this thing upgraded my whole ability to do shit. Device.
Oh, device.
How much easier it is and just not have to hold the damn work in your hand all the time. Voltage check. Big fat fucking diodes on here, so Gary didn't short this at all.
Huh?
There's big fat fucking diodes on here, so Gary didn't short the pins at all on this. About as big as my thumb, diode in here. 2 of them. Got 12 volts. Hell yeah. I'm gonna hook this up to my MPPT. See up to my battery. Testing the circuit. This is fucking dope. I have a system above my roof right here. I'm gonna put the. Thank you for the sandwich. I'm gonna put the panel right above where I'm at in my room.
I don't think I would put it on the roof. I put it on the overhang.
Okay. It'd be right on the edge, so it's not getting shaded. It's not getting
That's
shaded.
a lot more sturdier than
Yeah, I wasn't gonna go on the
You
roof.
can't
I was gonna put it right on the edge right there.
can't put no fucking hole in
I'm just putting no holes in there. So I'm making it. That's
I gotta get out here and fix that.
why I'm making it fucking heavy duty. You can just slap it up there and put a fucking weight on the legs of it. And it's good to go. You tailgate with it, what have you.
Our tech guys, we have a satellite dish up on the roof network.
One of those real satellite dishes.
Well, it's Hughes network.
Oh, nice.
I have it. The frame bolted down to a board. 4 bricks on each corner.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
No way, though. Well, you guys got the.
Oh, it's bolted, but then it also has brick.
It's a piece of plywood.
Mm-hmm.
Gee.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. See if you can.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look up passive solar heating aluminum cans.
Hold on a second. Let's see.
You can tell me about the stuff that was making money with the remodeling.
Mm-hmm.
People were printing out a
Passive what?
passive solar heating with aluminum cans.
Aluminium. Get yourself 4-layer aluminum screen solar furnace.
Wow, that looks fun. That's just so.
Huh?
So, oh, let's check it out. Aluminum screen. Oh, then I have to buy some. Along with cans.
Solar air heater.
Aluminum sheet and all kinds of different stuff. Aluminum cans, solar heater. Yep.
This is how I made an aluminum can solar heater.
See. Yeah, there's caulk.
Squeeze glass, tiny plexiglass.
Yeah.
Drill holes in cans. Carefully. Please be very careful with this step. You should go to pop tabs off cans and then let those sort of liquid out cans and make them dry. Carefully drill holes. Can. Once you have the holes drilled, again strapping down on top of each other and securing them with heat copper glue. You can add as many rows of cans as you like, as long as they fit in the box you will be building. I determined my box size. That piece of tempered glass I left over. The old TV stand that was 24 by 42. And a scrap piece of plywood about a quarter inch thick that I used for the back of the box. I just cut my 1x4 to fit around the edge of the plywood. Make any frame slightly larger than a piece of glass. Note you can use regular glass, tempered glass, or even plexiglass as long as the sun is able to shine through it. And it's thick enough to keep the heat in. Take a piece of foam board insulation I had mine laying around the previous owners of our house. I also used some parts of a pool noodle and cut to size, fit around the back and side of the box. Use your high heat caulk to seal all the holes in the edges. Then when dry, use your high heat matte black spray paint to spray the foam insulation. Where's the pictures?
Is that ribbon?
When you set the solar heater out in the sun, you know how cold it can heat up to 160 degrees or so. My solar heater was only out in the sun for a few minutes before it started to really heat up. It was fun to watch the measure of the heat as well. It's 160. I used a meat thermometer to measure the temperature of mine. It was only about 50 degrees outside as well. When cool air enters the hole in the bottom of the box, it was warmed by the black cans and glass that have been absorbing the sun's heat. The matte black paint was dark, so it attracts the sun's rays. The holes in the cans create a turbine effect that spin the air around in the cans as it passes through each can. Warm air rises naturally, so as the air passes through each can, it gets a little bit warmer. Finally, as air exits out the top hole of the box, and you can feel the warmth. Note, make sure the box is tilted a bit. I leaned mine on a chair so that the cool air can enter from the bottom of the box. Also, make sure your box is facing the sun. Hi, what do you eat with it? I'm not sure who would go through the hassle of bringing this in and out of the house 100 times a day to reheat it. I imagine all that extra opening of your front door would defeat the purpose too. I especially have no plans of putting holes through my house to run ducking. For those in the same shoes, I have seen this done before where you just mount the box in a window in your home. That gets a lot of sunlight during the day. Even build a couple and put them in different windows on different sides of the house. The heat is usually piped in from the outside. They aren't supposed to store heat, just generate it. After putting them inside a window, a simple piece of black metal or plastic inside the window would attract heat, and the cans wouldn't be required. Homes can be designed with walls and floors of concrete or similar materials, often tiled or colored in dark colors. If you search passive solar design, you can find out more about this. I can't seem. Build a base that tracks the sun and moves accordingly.
No.
Not worth it unless you're really constrained for space. Just build more of them. Run a pair of ducks into the house.
Oh, nice.
See builditsolar.com for lots of info on the solar project.
We can make the whole fucking siding of the house.
Very nice. I built one, but it took a long time to drill the cans.
Yeah.
When I rebuilt it, I used gutter downspout instead of cans. No drilling, just cut the length. Works very well to heat my garage. These can't use but it's the recycling factor.
Yeah. Anybody can go to the hardware store and get all the shit and make something better, of course. But this would be made for you, though. Yeah, the guy that's got the foundation, he got a whole skirting right there facing the south.
I think a couple people missed the point. As far as I can tell, the main expense was the black paint. Everything else is recycled. So I guess the main reason for Instructable is to show what can be done without spending a ton of cash. You also get some practical stuff out of it. From experience, I can tell you using a step drill, the Christmas tree shape cutters, makes drilling very thin material much easier than a regular drill. And for aluminum cans, the cheapest one you can get hold of will work fine.
I want one of these do this.
Have you ever thought about using the same concept but running a hose through the cans to create a color hot water heater for the pool?
Fucking dope.
Actually, that's actually a method that's been around for years. Someone mentioned it in a comment above, but I also remember my dad talking about do it in the 70s. Certainly you could do it with cans. But the go-to method is to use black PVC pipe. You pretty much just divert the water, leaving the pool pump, and run it through the PVC, which has been laid somewhere where it can get plenty of sun, usually the roof, then tie it back to the outflow from the pool pump. I've heard of it done with regular white PVC spray painted black because the white is usually cheaper. The problem there is that the
Breaks
black
down.
PVC will hold up far longer than this in the sun due to its UV resistance.
Holy shit.
My understanding is black PVC is a sewage pipe and treated with chemicals when made, not for pool use.
Oh, I just use it as the heat pump. The hot water would be through the pipes, that ducting kind of around the house, like the radiator. And then you have a return pump, increases a certain temperature. You pump back on the panel. I can do that with the transistors. That was delicious, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I remember researching that years back, and I never really took notice, but all those ideas are really fucking good. Especially when we got so much roof, so square footage. And the foundation too, for the skirting. For, 2 birds, 1 stone. But still safe cans. I might, I want the aluminum. I might try my hand at forging.
Says my sister's pool has a black rubber mat with tubular channels molded into it. The pool's circulation pump dries water through the channels and back into the pool. The mat is the length of the pool and about 3 feet wide. Mounted on an inclined plywood board that is facing south, it picks up sunlight for about 75% of the day. In the heat of the summer, you can't even use it because the water gets so warm. Fortunately, there's a bypass valve in the spring and fall. It keeps the water around 80 to 82 during the day, which really extends the swimming season.
Water is definitely better movement of the heat in there. Yeah, they gotta put the pipe in the can, so that's genius.
Me too. Reviews.
Yeah, I'm liking these suggestions. I always, well, for the most part, I always read comments to hear the consensus.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, that metal casting, I mean that metal extruder. I thought that the 3D printer had an add-on for it, that would print metal. But I was like, no way. So, but it got me thinking, because it doesn't print metal, of course not.
Mm-hmm.
I can make a mold with the 3D printer.
Nice.
It needs the lock casting method with the mold after the 3D print and some sand
Nice.
and pour aluminum in. Now I got a metal 3D print.
That's cool. When is your 3D printer coming?
October 20th.
Damn it, where's it coming from? China?
Probably. All the shit I'm buying is like, they don't have American.
Well, that's not that far off though. That's like
Gives me time
6.
to prepare. Eagles is like, we'll just fire up that Blender 3D program that you mess around on. I'm like, hell yeah, bro.
Hey.
It's just because anything I can make in the 3D model, I can make a real life object of.
Yeah.
Remember that A10 Warthog
Yeah.
I was showing you? And I was just, fucking around. But I was doing like machine blueprints and stuff when I was in class, like the technical drawings we had to do.
Uh-huh.
And that got me the knowledge to like take the right measurements and reverse engineer and shit. Like the radius of this thing, and the radius of this, and that chamfer and all that other technical stuff. Remember that guy had that fillet gauge?
Yeah.
I can measure the rounded edges on things. Because he was using those tools, those measuring tools, to look, like he was looking at a speaker.
Yeah.
And he was using those hand tools to reverse engineer, draw the draft, put
Yeah.
the draft on the computer. He can make a copy of it.
Nice. See the color of this? Red roller.
Wow.
Red. Yeah, use some spray paint for your tools. Wash all that paint off and some spray paint.
I know. That shit was god awful.
Yeah, that stuff isn't. It's not gonna stick to it. Alicia.
Plus, I'm a shit painter.
Huh?
I'm a shit painter.
Hey, that's why spray paint comes in handy. Spray paint. Oh shit. Spray paint makes things so much easier.
Shit, I don't think I've touched a can of spray paint since I was a teenager.
They sell it at the dollar store.
I got a can and a half over there of gray and black too.
Just do it outside.
Well, yeah, but I use the cleaner stuff inside. It's not that bad.
Sure. Should be doing any of that stuff.
Go eat. There's nothing on the plate right there.
Oh, I'm full.
I'll make a workshop and says no pan allowed. What the fuck you doing in there? Clang, clang, clang. Huh?
Have a trap door.
Oh no. ED.
And you're out of here.
wish we had some firewood, man. I'll get that shit done. Or if I could, assemble the porch stuff. I could disassemble the porch stuff, but that wouldn't be much for it to do. Basically, somebody just put their fucking fist in it too. However, I got big grinding. I think I bought some grinding wheels, big grinding wheels, and I'll chop up these cars and fucking grind them. Press, make some sheet metal tools. Flatten the metal all out and do the metal shape.
Hey,
Well, that route, I'm gonna find a weld, probably a 7, obviously 70 foot. I can cut pretty well. I can cut metal pretty well for the 7 foot.
oh, okay.
Look, I just thought of something. The woodshed. You ain't doing shit. I mean, I can use the sheet metal and make a fucking shed right here. With the roof on. You said the top man is on the roof. Yeah, I can use that metal to make a fucking crack. What else is doing that besides dilapidating? Are you serious? It'd be better under this roof. It's not running like that. Come on, that's like. I'm just saying. I have to bring it across because it'd be like objecting to it. He just literally got done telling me I gotta make a shed though. That's what I'm doing.
Not even looking those dilapidated companies.
I can't afford the walls, but I can afford cars. I can't afford wood. Looking price of lumber is fucking insane. If I was gonna go out and buy it, then why haven't you already? I can just make it. There's nothing. that car model, that should be, you could be ripping. What's the thickness on it? 3/8? Yeah. Is that local pickup? Yeah, I guess I am trying to. I've gone this far. That's a slippery slope, though. I know. 'Cause I tried. Here's why I'm against it, because I tried buying some shit for my house to fix it up, and I was just doing the installation, and by the time I did one fucking Home Depot trip, and I walked out paying $800 for just enough shit to do like 1/4 of one of the rooms. You know, it's, yeah, well, those hidden pitfalls. And I was trying to do legit with the big stuff. And all the shit that goes with it, the plastic sheeting over it and staple gun and staple. Yeah. That's why I know I'm trying to do my cost factors, like the shit that I already know is picking up junk. I could still use that tin on that shed. That'd be for the higher part of it, and I'd still be reinforcing it from inside. Okay. With your permission, though. Eventually, you know, I'm gonna do that, but I just want. They're usually 8x4. All right. Full bird. still save cans though. Maybe. Solar panel test. Shit.